Measuring progress at a glance. Hey math leads, looking to quickly understand how well the learning of times tables is going throughout your school? Then you will love our 2 top tips for measuring progress across your entire school on Times Tables Rockstars. Tip 1. Use your stats. If you have the stats bolt-on, you can quickly see an overview of your school stats by going to Stats, Headlines. Check out the average studio speed, percentage played, daily minutes played, and accuracy. Ideally, you'd want to see about 3 minutes a day for minutes played. We recommend 3 minutes because we have seen a little and often approach to be very effective. Tip 2. Check your gig results. Dive deeper into class progress by using gig results. Gig is a once-a-month standalone assessment that consists of 100 questions with a time limit of 5 minutes. Whether a student completes all questions or the game ends early, valuable data is collected. To view gig results, go to Stats, choose the class from the list on the left, then Gig. The first gig serves as a baseline, establishing a starting point. Subsequent gigs become check-ins, providing a score out of 100 for monthly comparisons. You can hit the CSV download button to save that data. Students can also track their own gig performance by visiting Stats Gigs. This is great for helping them understand the progress they have made and what they need to work on next. Passing a gig can also be used as a celebratory milestone for the students. Watch maths lead Sara explain how she uses gig in her London school. There's a link to the video in the description. So those were our 2 top tips for measuring progress across your school. Subscribe for more TT Rockstars top tips.